As we move up the hierarchy of classification, each level takes us further into the grand structure of life. After species, genus, order, and class, we reach one of the broadest and most foundational groupings, the phylum. A phylum brings together multiple classes that share core body structures and developmental patterns. It's not just about what organisms look like on the surface but how they are built from within. At this level, we start to see nature's architectural blueprints emerge. Let's take one of the most familiar phyla, Chordata. This phylum includes mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and fishes, even though they appear vastly different. What unites them? At some stage in their life cycle, they all possess a notochord, a dorsal hollow nerve cord, pharyngeal slits, and a postanal tail. These features might not always be visible on the outside, but they are part of the internal design that defines all chordates. It's like a signature woven into their development, a shared structure that links species across land, air, and sea. Chordata is just one example. In fact, animals are classified into over 30 distinct phyla, each with its own unique body plan. Take Arthropoda, the largest phylum, which includes insects, spiders, and crabs, all known for their jointed legs. Or Mollusca, home to soft-bodied creatures like snails and octopuses. Then there's Annelida, the segmented worms such as earthworms, and Porifera, the simplest of all, sponges with porous bodies. Each phylum showcases a different evolutionary strategy, a different way life has solved the challenges of survival. In the plant kingdom, the concept is similar, though the term used is division instead of phylum. Divisions group classes of plants that share major developmental and structural traits. For example, Angiospermae includes all flowering plants. Gymnospermae includes non-flowering seed plants like pines. Bryophyta includes small, non-vascular plants like mosses. These divisions help us organize plant life with the same clarity and depth we apply to animals, showing us just how universal the system of classification really is. In the taxonomic ladder, phylum comes just below kingdom and sits above class. It's one of the highest ranks, helping us group organisms based on fundamental body plans, even if they look completely different on the outside. This level of classification gives scientists a powerful framework to study evolution, development, and biological function. It reveals how organisms are built and how those designs have stood the test of time. To understand phyla is to understand the blueprints of life. Each phylum represents a different evolutionary path, a different solution to the question of how to survive and thrive. Whether it's the segmented body of an annelid or the jointed limbs of an arthropod, each structural design tells a story. When we study phyla, we start to see how life is deeply connected yet wonderfully diverse. This is where the patterns of biology unfold, giving us a clearer picture of how the living world is constructed.